Hello and welcome to The Drift. I'm your host, Sierra Goodwill. One of the many things we love about New England is its rich boat building history. On our Boat Build segment, our host, John Methia, will spend some time with and introduce us to the builders and artisans of New England boat building. Today, he visits South Shore Boat Works and gets a lesson in the art of crafting a ship's wheel.
Hey, Bob, Derek, the boys at South Shore Boat Works. How's it going, man?
Good, John.
Good to see you again.
Nice seeing you too.
We're cranking out wheels.
We are. We're. What I have here on the table is a cross section of how I actually build the wheels.
Wow.
And this is something that.
So you order all these parts. These come from Amazon, right? These little pieces, and you just put them together, or how does that work?
Well, only if Derek works for Amazon. Since
Derek, you work for Amazon over there, man? All right, so all of these pieces are custom made here in your shop, right?
Everything. When we build a steering wheel, and I've been building wheels since I'm the third generation wheel builder.
Right.
And so it starts with me actually doing the design work for the wheel.
Okay.
Which I take the customer's ideas and incorporate them into the design. Mm-hmm. And then at that point, I start making the tooling, making the jigs to actually build the wheel.
So each wheel is different?
Everyone is different.
I did not know that. Okay, so you can't come in and say, Bob, give me a 24-inch and you've got them in boxes ready to go. This is true custom design.
It is truly a custom design. That it's made for a specific boat, for a specific helm.
Okay.
And everybody has a different vision. They want different woods, different designs in the wheel itself. But this is the basic parts, which is the hub, and then there's the spokes.
This is just an alignment piece here. This isn't part of the wheel, or is this part of the wheel? This piece here.
This is the actual. This is the hub that becomes the hub for the wheel itself.
Okay, good.
But we start by turning the spokes, which Derek is doing on the lathe.
Okay.
And then once the spokes are turned, we fit them into the hub. The hubs are actually very tough to fit because the pockets are not always consistent.
Okay.
So we have to fit them. And then once the spokes are in place, you see the number lines on the board. This is for to make sure that I'm on the right degrees. In this case, this is an 8-spoke hub, so it needs to have 45 degrees for each spoke.
Important.
It's
you
important.
Want it to be round.
You want it to be round, and it also has, it has the look of being symmetric. Sure. Symmetry. There's no place you're going to put a wheel weight on this to balance your wheel.
Right.
It just doesn't work that way. But and this is just the process. I've been teaching Derek for about a year and a half now how to build steering wheels, and so we always start out the same way with turning the spokes, fitting them into the hubs. Then there's some variations from there, but this is just typical.
So tell me about this sort of old style look. Is this coming back, or has this always been around? It seems like more and more boats are getting back into this classical, it looks like something that would have been on Gilligan's boat, the minnow, right?
Yeah.
Is that style coming back?
I don't think it's ever left.
Okay.
And I think there is a resurgence. And the reason why I say that is, today most boats can be steered with high-tech electronics,
yeah, sure.
Pods, joysticks.
Joysticks.
Yeah. But that doesn't give you the sensation of actually feeling the wheel or steering the boat.
Right.
And I think that for a lot of people using the boats, they want that feeling, or they remember growing up on, say, their father's or grandfather's boat.
Kind of steering this way, right? Holding the
definitely.
The wheel. Yeah.
And that's that sense of connection between you and the boat, whereas
Absolutely.
with electronics, you don't have that.
Yeah.
I've even had at one point, I built a wheel for a 251-foot mega yacht, powerboat. The boat was built, and both the captains, there was an Australian and an American captain, they said, it looks funny without having a steering wheel on it here.
Yeah.
So we had to take this mega yacht, figure out how to put a steering system into it with a conventional wheel.
Wow.
And I was lucky enough to do the installation because the boat was built in Connecticut. And I look at it, it's like, this beautiful woodworking all over this boat, but it would have looked pretty funny without having a wheel to steer it.
So beautiful woodwork in the boat, electronics, state-of-the-art electronics, and this gorgeous what did it have? Like just a black metal reel in it?
It didn't have any wheel.
Any wheel, just a joystick.
Joysticks, yes.
So you came in and they worked on the steering system, and now they've got a nice wooden wheel.
Yes,
A
yeah.
classic wooden wheel. Congrats. Nice work. Love it.
That is simply amazing. And as always, you can find more boat build on driftsociably.com and at driftsociably on social media.